Hello everyone, this is Quick Tips. Today in this video I want to show you how to use delete feature in Solidworks. If you want to close this hole and you do like this, go to this face, click this edge and click Convert Entities, go to Feature, Active Export Boss, and Direction, you choose up to surface and click this face and click OK. See, that take a long time. Just do like this for first step. Delete this feature. Go to command, make command delete face. See, and now you have this feature. Click this feature. See, now you have a parameter. Select surface you want to delete like this. Click this face, and this face. In option, choose delete and patch and click OK. See? Hide this sketch. See? And you can do like this. If you want to delete this face, just do like this. Active delete face again. Select the surface like this and click OK. See? Now, if you want just delete this face, you can do like this. Go to delete face feature again. Just choose this face like this and click OK. See? Now you know how to use the delete face feature. That is Quick Tips. See ya!